What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be taking you through first Recon, which is the first quest for the Handshake vendor in Grey Zone Warfare. First of all, hit Tab, then Vendors, Handshake, Tasks, and accept your task here. This requires us to check the area around the gas station in 144-161, check the convenience store and demolished buildings, which are also all nearby this location on the map. To find 144-161, head across to Map and zoom out until you see this block here. Looking for 144, so the x-axis is the first set of numbers, the y-axis is the second one. We're looking for 144-161, so at the very bottom, 140 is here, so block 14. 161 is zooming in somewhere around here. 144-161 is this section here. We'll need to navigate here, then 162 and 165, so that's here, 162 and 165 up here. Let's go ahead and navigate out there. Once you've got your missions selected, how exactly do we get to them? Well, if you open up your vendors screen here and head across to one of your tasks, you'll see that it requires us to go to different locations. What we're going to do is on the map, head across to the closest drop-off location indicated by LZ and simply just click on one of them. This one seems to be the closest to where I want to go, otherwise I can work my way up. I think let's start at Charlie 2. We'll click it and click Call Transport, and as soon as we do this, you'll hear that an exfil is coming for you, and we have a pickup at 40 seconds from now. So all we need to do is head across to the pickup point over here, make sure we have everything we need on us. So character, here we go. I've got a bunch of stuff, and of course, if you don't want to take anything with you, place it in your stash in the far right here. Once you're happy with what you have, we'll wait at the LZ here. You can see it coming in here. We'll wait for it, and in 10 seconds, we should be able to hop onto it. There we go. We'll sprint up to it, and we'll interact with it, so F, and just like that. Now, standing on it, all we need to do is literally wait until we travel across to where we want to go. You'll also hear some comms from the pilot saying 30 seconds, that's 30 seconds until we land. It should be relatively quick to get these things done. Sweet, so coming in for a landing here, we'll hop off, and now we're pretty much just in the game. Open the map using M to find a small little mini-map type thing going on, and navigate your way across the land. So first of all, the convenience store is right about over here, 141-162. We'll need to navigate across here, of course, taking the helicopter to get here. I just finished a previous quest, and I'm really close by to it. Obviously, this area is occupied by enemy forces, and there's no friendlies nearby, so everything that I see will probably be some kind of an enemy. We'll need to navigate around here carefully. It's about 80 meters from my location, and as you can see, it's right over here. You'll need to head into it as such, and when you do, it'll become a named location on your map for you. And that's pretty much that. Next, the demolished building, 141-165, is the closest one to where we are here, and you'll find it 141-165 right about here. So we'll need to head our way up there, and of course, there's a lot of fun going on. All right, and there we go. As soon as we enter it, we'll get this part of the quest complete, even though it isn't a named location, as then it won't show up on the map afterwards. There we go. Now that we've been here, the final location to explore, which is a little bit further away, is the gas station, which you'll find down here, 144-161. It's very far away, and of course, you probably want to skirt around the town rather than going straight through it. All right, seems like we're approaching it here. As soon as we get to this location, you'll see that we get the points for getting here, and of course, it'll be ticked off on our quest list. There we go, gas station discovered, and just like that, we're now pretty much done with this mission. Now that we're done with that, we'll need to get back to the LZ and head back to spawn to hand in the quest. When you get back to base, open up your menu, head across to vendors, and we can hand in our tasks. Now, unfortunately, my recording did crash, so I lost an hour of progress. I did a couple more quests, but anyways, in order to hand in first Recon, head across to Handshake followed by Tasks, then first Recon, and click the hand in button, which should appear somewhere near the bottom. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. I'll need to re-record the next few tasks that I've done, but anyways, thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.